Okay, look what we got here. That's my pork chops I put on there. I almost forgot to take and film a little clip here. Actually, I did forget. I was going to do it before this, but I forgot. I'm going to get my plate and see if I can aim this just right through the... Okay, let's see if it stands. There we go. There we go. Pork chops. Time for the taste test. Mmm. Mmm. Excellent. I'm going to take and finish these off and talk to you later. Well, that's what's left of the campfire. They're all done. We even had some s'mores too. Just kind of putting everything away now. Just sitting here relaxing before getting ready for bed. So I think that's going to wrap up this video. Thanks for watching. It was quite a day traveling all the way from Yellowstone to here, and then also getting to see that bear. But really good day today. So stay tuned for tomorrow. We're going to be going out into the park and doing a whole Grand Teton drive or something. It circles around. So that's the plans for tomorrow. So that's going to wrap up this video. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next video.